Hello everyone, my name is Chanchal Sharma. I am from American Institute. Today I will tell you about a crime. It's happened in online system. So its name is cyberbullying. So what do you know about the cyberbullying? So nowadays we are living in two worlds. We all know that first world is that physical world. I am talking with you, you are just giving me answer. So that's the virtual world. You can ask anything, that's the physical world. You can ask anything to me, I can give those questions answer. But if I upload my video on the YouTube and people will see me, then they can't physically they ask me some question. So they can't ask those questions physically, so we will say virtual word, they can just comment me in the comment section. So that's word is cyber word, virtual word. So we all know in physical words a lot of crimes happen, but in we are not aware about the virtual world. In virtual world also crime happens, but we don't know about this, and people are just not aware, and they don't care about this. They always ignore the virtual world's crime. So cyberbullying is also a crime of virtual world. So we all know about the ragging system happen in our colleges, our schools. Nowadays are increasing, but also they are happening in the college and schools. So the ragging also happen in the virtual world, in cyber worlds, but we are not aware about this. How they happen? First thing, that if people just harass you, if people is giving threat to you in comment section, that it's called cyberbullying. It's also called cyberbullying. If he made your ID, your fake ID, your fake profiles, if he use your photos, then it's also a cyberbullying. If he is giving threats to you, if he is trolling to you and he wants to kill you and he is just writing those things in the comment section, it's also a cyberbullying. So people are not aware, and mainly it's happen into teenagers, because they always take tensions. So because of that, just teenagers are doing those things together. They make fake girls ID and then they chat with boys, and then they makes video and then they harass the peoples. So what the things are? They are just cyberbullying. So how can we save by cyberbullying? First thing, that just if it's happening sometime, delete that comment, delete the message. It's not required that every time you just take action against the person. Delete that message. Second thing, that block the person. You can block the person, you can report that person. And the third and the main things, you can also do FIR against the person. There is also law for cyberbullying, that in our India you can FIR against that person, and they will find. People are thinking that if I make a fake ID, like one fake profile, no one can judge me, no one can introduce me, but we can also get that who is he and she. So that's the reason cyberbullying also have some laws. You can by your FIR, he can get 3 to 5 years lockup. So he can get 3 to 5 years lockup, and also he have to pay 3 to 5 lakh rupees. So be aware, always help someone if he is suffering from this, if he is facing those problems, then help them. Cyberbullying also is a problem. People are taking it in an easy way. Thank you so much.